I recently went back to class to find out more about a great program at Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical that trains the next generation of service people. Take a look.
So class, today we're talking about the rules that we live by. Who can tell me the first rule that we live by? Megan.
Respect.
Absolutely. Yes. Can you give me an example of how we show respect at Golden Rule?
We'll treat customers the way they'd like to be treated.
Absolutely. Very nice. Perfect answer. Come on up and share some more, Megan.
Okay. I love the rules to live by.
Me too.
Thank you so much for inviting me to the front of the class. I actually have a few questions for you, though.
Well, Megan, we are so happy to have you here. And yeah, sure.
We have Bridget Godwin, the school administrator with Golden Rule Top Tech University. First of all, what is Top Tech University?
Well, Top Tech University is a great program we have here. Our day consists of module work in the morning, and then afternoon we're in the labs with Dustin, and then a few days a week we're out in the field, riding along with the techs and seeing what the day's like.
So what types of things are they learning with the modules here?
So many different things. Anything that will be helpful in the field. And the modules are just a basic foundation that they're going to have. And what's really cool about this program is they work on the modules in the morning. They gain that background knowledge, and then in the afternoon, they're out with Dustin in the labs using that knowledge hands-on.
And they even go for ride-alongs with technicians, is that right?
Yes, they do. They do. And I'm pretty sure that's their favorite part of the program.
I would bet. Is that your favorite part, everyone? Yeah. Well, I even noticed when I was logging onto my computer with my notebook here, one of the things was a skill assessment, the big picture, and the job was to interview a senior technician. Is that key where people learning to be in this profession get to talk with someone already doing it?
Yes, absolutely. And it's a really great opportunity for them to go out and be with the technicians in the field and build those relationships because that's important.
So how long does it take for students to go through Top Tech University?
Well, it depends on the program. Right now we have plumbing and electrical students, and this program is about 10 weeks long.
And then what happens once they graduate?
They graduate, yeah, they graduate. They ride along with the senior tech, and when they're ready, they're out in the trucks.
I would imagine this is a great way to get hands-on experience and then start working right away.
Absolutely, absolutely.
What's your favorite part about working and teaching this here at Golden Rule?
You know, I love the friendships and the bonds that the students make with each other because it's so important. You know, when they go out in the field, they'll always have each other. They'll always have someone to call. They'll always have the text that they ride along with. They'll have that bond also. So you know, you don't ever feel alone here.
What's your background?
I'm a teacher. I'm a licensed teacher in the state of Iowa. Yeah.
So have you done ride-alongs and learned how to do plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical?
I have. I've done a few HVAC ride-alongs. So that's been fun. Yeah.
What's that been like, learning to do that?
It's a lot of fun. And you know, when I've been on the ride-alongs, I've been on ride-alongs with my previous students. So that's extra special.
Okay, any assignments for me to learn how to do this? I got my shirt, I got my notebook, maybe not the correct shoes and footwear, but anything else I need to do to start Top Tech University?
Well, just give us a call. Yeah, just give us a call, and we would love to visit.
Well, thanks so much.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
And good luck, everyone. I also got a chance to get that hands-on experience in the lab while I was there, so stay tuned for a future Megan Do My Job segment, and it's enlightening. You can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.